Hello everyone. So this question is from GATE 2023 Electronics and Communication branch, question number 22. Okay, and it has been asked from the subject analog circuits on the topic cascade amplifier, and it's a 1 mark question. Okay, question number 22. A cascade of common source amplifier in a unity gain feedback configuration oscillates when there are four statements are given: option A, option B, option C, and option D. Okay, option A, the closed loop gain, okay, is less than 1 and the phase shift is less than 180 degree. Like this, there are four options are given. So here is the NPTEL reference, you can go through this reference. Okay, so for this question, so IIT Kanpur has given a mistake. So in the option they have written the closed loop, but for oscillator we will be talking about only loop gain, not closed loop gain. Okay, so that's why this question later they have given for this question marks to all the students. Okay, so it will be a empty question, marks to all. Okay, due to this closed term here also, here also, here also. Okay, so I'll solve this question. I will remove this closed term. The option is like this: the loop gain, loop gain, loop gain, like this. The loop gain is less than 1, the loop gain is less than 1, like this. Okay, this question is based on Barkhausen criterion, okay, for oscillations. Solution. So let me write what is Barkhausen criterion. Okay, there are two conditions. One is like magnitude condition and phase condition. Okay, so a feedback system oscillates when the magnitude condition, that is AB, is greater than or equal to 1. So this is magnitude condition, and phase condition is like total phase shift around the loop must be 0 degree or 360 degree. Okay, these are the two conditions. Okay, so in the question it is given unity feedback. Okay, given it's an unity feedback, beta is equal to 1, correct? And in common source amplifier, so like if we see the common source amplifier, so it provides 180 degree phase shift. If you see the circuit of common source amplifier, then you will see the from input to output will give 180 degree phase shift. Okay, since in the question it is mentioned this cascaded common source, like cascaded CS amplifier, so combining 180, so total, like I have two common source, so one common source and a common, so this gives 180 degree phase shift, this also gives 180 degree phase shift, so total will be 360 degree. Okay, so I can come to a conclusion that the loop gain, that is AB, so this is the like magnitude condition. So from here I'll get, since beta is equal to 1, so A must be greater than or equal to 1. A is the loop gain. Okay, so loop gain must be greater than 1. One condition I got. Okay, and The phase shift, condition number 1, condition number 2. So phase shift, how much we have got? That is greater than 180 degree, because it is cascaded and common source, it is giving 180. So 180 plus 180 will be 360. Okay, so it is greater than 180. So these are the two statements. Okay, and one more thing, why those options are wrong? Because if I talk about loop gain, so loop gain means a into beta, correct? But if we talk about closed loop gain, then it will be, closed loop means ACL. Okay, so it will be a divided by 1 plus a beta. So in oscillation, normally we will be dealing with loop gain only. That's why the above options are wrong. That's why they have given marks to all the students. Okay, so from the conclusion I am getting, loop gain must be greater than 1 and the phase shift is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so if I check the option, the loop gain is greater than 1 and the phase shift is greater than 180 degree. So option D is correct, provided if you do this correction. Okay, this correction. Thank you.